Since December, we've been telling you about a $10.8 million grant to improve transportation in Youngstown. It includes a self-driving bus. Tonight, those who worked on the project face the people who will be impacted. 27 First News reporter Noah Daniels-Wilder was there to hear community concerns.
City leaders at the forum tonight told me a big problem in the valley is transportation. Not enough buses, not enough routes, and not enough ways for people to get to where they need to go. City leaders say this forum will help clear up some of the questions, and the grant will help clear some of the problems. $1 million of questions.
The safety concerns.
What are we trying to accomplish?
Swirling around $1 million plan to upgrade the central business district in Youngstown.
The people that were actually missing from the whole process was the actual city of Youngstown.
I've been hearing a lot of talk about it in the valley.
That's Lynn Belisle. She's a part of the City Club of the Mahoning Valley. She helped set the public forum up at Susie Dogs and Draft.
People have questions, and that's really what we're here for, to bring those conversations of consequence to the City Club stage.
So what's going to be different?
Transportation.
Supply the support that's needed for our residents to actually get to their jobs efficiently.
Green infrastructure.
Permeable payments.
And 2 self-driving city buses.
The only other city in the state of Ohio that's running a driverless shuttle right now is the city of Columbus. We stand to be the next one.
Most new innovations are met with skepticism.
There are some concerns with that, but I'm sure if it's something that's put on the road, I think it's put on the road with safe intentions.
Eric Jones is born and raised in Youngstown. He's more concerned with the route the buses would be taking people to Mercy Health.
To get their medical needs met, that serves the greater good.
Even with this project on their plate, city leaders are already preparing their next meal, removing dams from the Mahoning River.
We're really looking at 8 or 9 dams out of the river and open it up for economic development.
City leaders say the project is happening soon. Originally, the project was planned to be a 7-year process. Now, city leaders say that timeline could be cut in half. They expect to put shovels of dirt sometime soon. Live in the newsroom, Noah Daniels-Wilder, WKBN 27, First News at 11.